so hot, super, super hot. Ow. Today I'm going to be waxing my underarm and I'm going to be waxing my I've never waxed myself, my underarm and my bikini area at once. So we're gonna be doing that today and I'm very excited. It's blue and it's so pretty. Look at that. We're gonna be starting with this arm right here. Oh no. And now I have to go once. Oh no, I didn't get it. Oh, oh my god, everything. Yes. Ah, it's painful, but the pain is so worth it. Look at that. Oh, this is fun. Okay. Oh, I got it all at once. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. Okay. You get the oh. I'm already sweating. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't get this. Oh, there's blood. I didn't get it this at once, so I have some hair left. But look, I'm going to do from up down. Oh, so warm. This is fun. Is it dry yet? Oh, okay. Well, nothing much. See? This is so clean. I love it. And look at the other one too. I'm sweating under my arm like crazy. My Oof. Oh no. Oh my god. I don't think I can pull this. Oh, oh my god. Look. And it's such a long one. I mean the hair is not much. It's so I'm going in with another one. Oh no. I made a mess. Whew. I wish I have someone to hold my hands. Okay. I mean, there's barely any hair on this one. So far, so good. Whenever I peel it once, it doesn't get painful as much as if I'm peeling it bit by bit. So I just have to pull my skin and then, oh shit, I couldn't pull. Ow! Look, this one is so hot. Shit. Oh god, this is getting serious. Oh my god. Oh shit. How many of you guys are watching for fun or you're watching to learn? Let me know in the comment section because I want to know my audience. Like, I want to know you guys. Anyways, I'm having a lot of fun. All right. So let's get back to waxing. Ooh. The pain level like a 3/10. Okay. Got it. Guys, look. Like I'm doing my lap, and that can also be very, very painful. Okay. Oh God. Mm, okay. I'm halfway. Halfway. Halfway through. Oh shit. Oh. And this one is not so much, right? Wow. I mean, this is really like, ooh, so painful. Got it. Look, I'm really taking a lot of wax today because I want to be as close to perfect as possible. Ooh. Ooh. This is like the serious stuff right here. Like, the middle parts that is so coarse and thick. Yes, that's what we're doing right now. Oh my god. Ooh. Ow. Oh, my hands are shaking right now. Oh, okay. Ow. Oh my god. Ooh, that one was so painful. Look. And the hair is not so much, but it's a lot of follicles right now. That is the end of today's waxing. Yes. Waxing today was fun for me. I really enjoyed waxing today. So yeah, that's the end of today's waxing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay. Bye.